you did or you discovered that passage? How?
진작에 게임을 못하는 애는 아닌 놈들이 오늘 밤에 날 죽일 거야. 지금 이런 식으로는 아무것도 못하나. 시간을 줘.
He's afraid of being killed by
어쩌라는 거야?
Jackson.
사람이 돌아올 때까지 여기서 안 다치는 거야. 지금 계속 이러고 있다. 저희가 하면서 마치 점호 시간까지 돌아가야 돼. 그게 아니야. 딴짓들이 알았어. 위에 가서 게임을 하나 봐. 열쇠가 있지. 여기는 우리 속 주머니에 위층 열쇠가 있어. 계속 듣지 마.
Don't! You stupid! How can you hide?
폭탄이야. 폭탄. 이 통로는 비상시 VIP들을 대피시키려고 만든 거야. 다 빠져나오고 나면 그걸 터뜨려서 여기 다 묻어버리려는 거야. VIP는 어떤 사람들이야?
Okay, so the VIPs made that passage to escape and they would blow the place. The VIPs, it's the mastermind team.
29번.
You know that something is wrong with him. He didn't know about the bomb. Aha. Really stupid. You don't know where to go, how to hide, you know, with the cameras and all. You stupid.
왜 궁금하지? 다 우리를 위해서 준비해준 것 같아. 호기심만 많은 게 아니라 목소리도 달라진 것 같네. 얼굴 좀 볼까? 죽여서 확인할까?
Which means that you know each other's face?
누구야 너?
You knew each other at some point. I'm really gonna begin to believe into my theory of them being former
얼굴 좀 볼까?
winners.
죽여서 확인할까?
Who?
진정해. 아직 수습할 수 있어. 어떻게 수습해? 날 죽였어. 그럼 일만 더 그릴 텐데.
I think that they're gonna explain to us who they are.
네 친구도 죽였고. 그러면 내 친구가 아니야. 깨끗하게 되어버리면 해.
It's not friends, they are into this experience together like you are.
아무 문제도 안 돼. 수술 중에 깨어났다는 콩팥이 하나 없는 사람.
It was your brother.
그 콩팥 하나가 어딘 줄 알아? 여기 나한테 줬거든. 그 사람이 내 형이야. 어디야? 유재였어.
It was?
아니야. 내가 게임은 반드시 알아내게.
Yes, it was, we saw it.
아직 기회가 있어.
I'm stupid.
같은 쓰레기 말을 내가 어떻게 믿지?
Because he's like you. He's forced to be there.
나도 너랑 똑같은 사람이야.
Really? Okay, they are just confirming that impression that the police guy had during the last episode, you know.
우리 둘 다 살 수 있어. 의사 선생, 가서 그 얼굴부터 씻자고.
Who?
정말이야. 네 말은 어떻게 믿지?
Yes, the supervisors saw it, so the black mask guy knows it.
못 믿겠으면 명대로
Yeah.
보내요.
The list?
참가자 명단이 있어. 인적 사항이 적혀져 있는 심지어 병원 기록까지. 어디? 사다리 통로 위에 대장방이 있어. 대장, 너도 봤지?
He is the official leader. Is he the real leader?
그래서 네 영상은 내가 도와줄게. 네가 한 팀이 되면은
Predictable. Really bad for you, Junho, but predictable.
너희들이 시체에서 장기를 떼어서 팔든 장기를 턱지를 씹어 먹든 난 관심이 없어. 하지만 너희들은 이곳에서 가장 중요한 걸 망쳐놨어. 평등이야. 이 게임 안에서는 모두가 평등해.
You are one of the candidates.
같은 조건에서 바깥 세상에서 불평등과 차별에 시달려온 사람들에게 평등하게 싸워서 이길 수 있는 마지막 기회를 주는 거야. 그 원칙을 깨었어.
You see yourself as a good guy into that story? It's a funny story that you're saying to yourself. Yes, he's not gonna lose time killing you. Juno, I'm sorry that you had to kill that guy, but it was a good call into that situation. And now I'm scared for you.
대장님, 한번더 찾았습니다.
128, but not 29. You don't know that 29 is involved? Ooh! Good, 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 good. Juno, you don't know how good it is. Can you find clues, information about this leader?
28번입니다. 한 놈이 더 있어.
Oh, you know it.
이놈을 죽인 놈. 장수통 개수가 그대로야. 아직 안에 있어. 찾아.
An alarm. Someone is missing. Alert! 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 You know that something is wrong more than them. You know what it is. Grandpa. Ah, you're part of it. I'm gonna be sorry if I'm wrong. All of the files. Yes, 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 all of the files. Your brother. Since how many years? I might be right about the masked guys being former winners. You know, I'm... No? Is it by alphabetic? Would be great. 29 is missing, so you know that you're searching for 29.
29호도 사라졌습니다.
The real 29 is really missing.
분명히 안에 있어. 아무래도 그 상황.
They know it already. Don't worry.
빨리. 영감님이 몸이 많이 안 좋으세요.
You. I don't want to suspect him anymore. You didn't find your brother because your brother is one of the masked guy. The red envelope or the former winners or I don't know. Oh, it's the ones who are already dead? What? I don't understand.
형.
your brother played in 2015. 5 years ago, but he disappeared right now. He was with the mask guys, but at some point he was one of the candidates. Like, I'm right? It's the former winners who are the mask guys. No. I was gonna be like, is he the one who showed his face? But no, it was during episode 3 and the police guy, we met him episode 2. Did we have one of the mask guys dying during episode 1? We were with June. Oh, he didn't find his brother with the names of the ones who are playing this game right now this year. But he found his name into a 2015 game. And they didn't show us, his brother, which was already weird. During episode 2, when we were searching his room, already we didn't see anything about him, any photography, nothing. I'm gonna make a weird theory, but follow me right now. Can it be possible that the mask guys are former winners who are forced to come back for each game to be into the mask guys because they can blackmail them, because they filmed them during all of this time, so they have proof that they did illegal stuff? Do you understand what I mean? Like, all of these candidates, if I'm right, at the end of it, they're gonna play the game that they showed us at the beginning of episode 1. So 4 of them are gonna win, and because of that, these 4 who are gonna win, they're gonna win the prize or not. But no matter what, you film them doing illegal stuff, maybe killing people, so you can blackmail them, so at each game they're gonna come back to be into the security, the mask guys. And that's why right there it was 4 of them who were on that team, to sell the organs, because it was 4 former winners and all. And that's why your brother was into the mask guys and not the candidates, and he died because he showed his face or something like that. But we didn't see it during episode 1, it was, or maybe it was a kid from episode 2. No matter what, I think that he died. And just this year you noticed that during some days he disappeared. Maybe in fact all of these persons, they are disappearing during some days each year, and no one is noticing it, and right there the police guy finally noticed it. But in fact it happened before, during the 4 last years. Can it be possible? So it means that the theory that I had between the last episode and this one about the envelopes, the red one, the blue one, dividing them between the masked guys and the candidates, that was wrong. I didn't believe a lot into that theory, but I thought that it was fun, and I preferred that, than just a reference, an homage to Matrix. It was cool to use it also. But maybe not, it was really just an homage to Matrix. I had another theory that I didn't say during the episode about Saw the movie. Oh yes! I'm sorry if I'm making a lot of theories in parallel of Saw, and because of that you can have spoilers. I'm trying my best each time to put subtitles right there for you to jump after the spoilers, but I'm forced to talk about it to explain why I have this series. The leader, the black mask guy, I don't think that he's the leader, he's the official one, and maybe he's one of the masterminds, Or maybe it's just someone being used by the real mastermind. I had this theory during the episode, thinking about Saw and thinking about, you know, a legacy situation, like with the mastermind, it would be the grandpa and his son maybe, or with the one who created that at the beginning, like, you know, the one who created all of that at the beginning. When he died, it's the former winner who is there since most of the time and is embracing the most what you're doing, who became the black mask guy. Don't blame me! I know that I'm going really far with this series, but come on. I thought about it, but really 0.01% that it's gonna be that. I believe way more into my theory about these mask guys being former winners than other stuff. We can have the impression that we learned a lot during this episode, but in fact we just had the confirmations of things that we supposed during the last episode. You know, during the last episode they introduced us to the mask guys, to the organs situation, to this mask guys group, and 29 being involved into it, the doctor being useful into this group. They introduced us to that right there during this episode. Really, they just confirmed it more clearly, and also we had Black Mask discovering that. Something which was interesting about him, it's what he said. I think that it's the first time that we heard him speak, really, at least for so many words. How he explained that, like, he's giving a chance to people to have money, like, they need that, and he's that generous that he's giving that to people. And no, he didn't say I, he said we. That's the moment when I began to think about that new theory related to Saw, with the fact that maybe he is in fact one of the former candidates who totally embraced all of what they're doing so much that he became one of the leaders. The VIPs. Since how many years they are making these experiences? 1999 he discovered that far. I'm not even sure that it was the first one, you know, that first. So during this episode we had the end of the last game. Our guys, they won it. It was predictable. It was interesting, you know, I said it during the episode, the fact that the two first games, the mask guys were killing them. This third game and also the Bloody Nine, they killed each other. It's an evolution, you know. I think that the symbolic is important, but also for my theory of maybe they're gonna blackmail you with things that they film, also interesting and important in my opinion. That evolution, you know. During the night, they protected each other as a team. That's it. How did she pronounce it? Minya? Minya. It was more something like that. I'm sorry for my bad pronunciations. I'm really trying. The girl, it's the only one that I didn't get the pronunciation. And Sang-woo, I'm pronouncing it bad since the beginning. It's not Sang-woo. You don't pronounce the G. It's really more San-woo. It's more something like that. I'm sorry, I'm trying. She's a part of this team now, okay, with the weird girl. Okay, why not? She can be fun, her personality can be fun also. The grandpa, like that conversation that he had with Ji-hoon made me suspect him. But how he was at the end, like, how can we not like him, you know, during one of these moments? We want to protect him, of course, and I want to protect him, and I want to like him, and he's nice with Ji-hoon, with all of them, and he's nothing but nice with all of them. And right there he was in a position of weakness, like the worst position of weakness into that situation. It's showing that he's afraid and all, or at least it's a message that you're gonna keep after seeing him like that. So of course I'm feeling ashamed that I'm suspecting him, and after a scene like that I don't want to suspect him even more, but I have to. I'm sorry, I have to. See how it's making me feel? I'm ashamed, I'm sorry. To suspect him, to make series about him, oh, it's bad. Ali and Sang discussing, that was great. There is really a relationship right there, you know, which is built little by little, which is great. Oh, and I didn't talk during my last review about Ji-hoon who helped the girl. Like, it was for me truly a situation like when he helped the cat during the first episode. I said it during the first episode, during a lot of moments that we had with Ji-hoon discovering his life. I think that a lot of these moments are really meaningful for his personality, but also for what is gonna happen during this episode. Like this situation with the cat, the fact that he's helping someone, you know, who needs to eat, who needs help, who is all alone, and other situations like that, like with the, you know, the picking game. I don't know how to name it in English. The kid, he told him, you have to be focused on one prize and to not fight for every of them. I think that also we have to keep it in mind for the rest. That was a good episode. It was maybe the episode, you know, since the beginning of the season, with still a lot of actions, still a lot of persons who died, but for informations, we had less informations during this one. The main ones, the new ones that we had, it was at the end of the episode with Jun-ho discovering all of that. But before that, it was just a confirmation of stuff that we already knew. That was more an episode for the characters than an episode for the story, you know, to help the story to progress. Okay, so 3 more games, and how many episodes? 4 episodes, 3 games. I'm like, okay. I think that we're gonna end all of the games, you know, with this season. Maybe we're not gonna have the consequences of it at the end. Maybe they're gonna keep that for season 2. Or maybe we're gonna have the consequences of it because I'm right with my theory about the former winners being masked guys, you know, coming back each year. And during the season 2, we're gonna have all former winners being masked guys, and maybe a situation with them trying to make a revolution from the inside, you know, against the leader. And again, I'm so sorry and ashamed the fact that I'm suspecting the grandpa, but I think also that by creating a game like that, you know, a big game like that, you have to have someone inside to control it, to push the players, to encourage the players into one direction, to direct the game from the inside, to be sure that your players, there are so many of them, they're gonna go in the direction that you want. But I really think that he has a brain tumor. Oh, my theory about the fact that the first person who created that, you know, gave his legacy to the actual leader. Can it be possible that the grandpa is the first person who created that, and because of the fact that he has a brain tumor, he's losing his mind, so he passed all of that to someone, his legacy, the black mask guy, and he wanted, you know, before dying, to be involved into the game that he created? Huh? What? I don't know. Yeah. A situation like that, you know, whether I'm right or wrong about giving his legacy to someone, can it be that he's the creator of all of that and he wants to die into his game? The legacy thing because it's his son, or the legacy thing because it's one of the former winners who totally embraced what he's doing? my mind working when I'm talking. Really, it's like that. When I'm talking to you, my mind is... I can almost feel it. Okay, I'm gonna stop this review right now because I want to watch one more episode today. So it's all for you for today and it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.